Four of the most powerful AI systems on the planet. One question: who wins the 2026 World Cup? I gave Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, and Grok the exact same prompt. Same question, same tournament data. And what came back was not what I expected. Three different champions, zero consensus, and one prediction that could either be the most embarrassing thing an AI has ever said or the most brilliant. Let's find out. Welcome to the AI Lab Report. I'm Jeremy, and this channel is where we test AI so you don't have to. Before we get into it, if you want my complete AI tool stack as a free PDF, links in the description. It's literally every tool I use to run this channel. Just grab it. Today we're doing something a little different. The 2026 FIFA World Cup is in full swing. 48 teams, the biggest tournament in history, hosted right here in North America. And I wanted to know, can the world's best AI actually predict who lifts the trophy? So I ran an experiment. I took four major AI platforms, Gemini, ChatGPT, Claude, and Grok, gave every single one the identical prompt, and let them loose. Same question, no hints, no coaching. Here's what happened. The rules were simple. Each AI had to give me their predicted World Cup champion and why, their predicted finalists, their predicted semifinalists, and two or three upset predictions that could shake up the bracket. Word for word. Every platform. Let's start with Gemini. Gemini 3.1 Pro. Extended Thinking Mode. Google's most advanced general intelligence model. Gemini's pick? Brazil. And the reasoning is actually strong. Vinicius Jr. hitting peak form, Neymar back from injury, tactical flexibility across the squad. Gemini called Brazil the most complete team entering the knockouts. For the final, Brazil versus France. France is the counterweight, experienced, defensively solid, built for knockout football. Semifinalists: Brazil, France, Argentina, and Germany. But here's where it gets interesting. Gemini's upset picks. South Africa, who just qualified for the knockouts for the first time in history, playing with, quote, house money and zero pressure. Mexico finally breaking the quinto partido curse after a perfect 9-point group stage. And Morocco, who Gemini called tactically equipped to frustrate any possession-heavy European side. Strong picks, specific reasoning. Gemini came in swinging. ChatGPT, free tier, and right away a different answer. ChatGPT's pick? France. The reasoning: Mbappe is the most dangerous knockout stage player in the tournament. France has the deepest combination of talent, experience, and athleticism. And this is the line that stood out. ChatGPT said France can win a shootout, a defensive battle, or a penalty shootout. That's balance most teams don't have. Predicted final: France over Argentina 2-1. Messi's final World Cup run going deep, but not deep enough. Semifinalists: France, Argentina, Spain, Brazil. And then ChatGPT dropped this: the United States reaching the semifinals. On home soil. Favorable bracket path. And if they avoid France, Argentina, and Spain until late, ChatGPT said a semifinal is not crazy. That is a bold call. American viewers, you're going to want to clip this one. Morocco showed up here too. Norway as a dark horse. ChatGPT gave actual win probabilities. France at 18%, Argentina 15%, Spain 13%, Brazil 12%. Two platforms, two different champions. Let's keep going. Claude, Opus 4.8, high effort mode. And I want to show you something before I give you the prediction. Claude was the only AI that didn't just answer the question. It actually went and searched the web first, pulled live betting odds, checked the bracket structure, looked at where teams landed in the draw, before giving me a single prediction. France plus 400, Spain plus 500, England plus 600. Claude did its homework. The others answered from training data. Claude checked the news. Claude's pick? Spain. And the reasoning is the one that made me stop and read it twice. Spain is the reigning European champion. Lamine Yamal is back and scoring. Best midfield control in the tournament. But here's the key. It's not just about talent. It's about the bracket. Claude identified that France and Spain landed in the same half of the bracket. That means one of them goes home before the final, no matter what. Claude's bet? Spain edges France in the semifinal, then beats Argentina in the final. Semifinalists: Spain, France, Argentina, England. Upset picks: Morocco over the Netherlands in the round of 32. Brazil exiting before the semifinals. And a wild card: Mexico stunning England on Mexican soil. 3 platforms, 3 different champions, 1 AI left. Grok 4.3, powered by xAI, Elon Musk's AI company. Grok's pick: France. So that's France with 2 votes, Brazil with 1, Spain with 1, no consensus. Grok's semifinal 4, France, Spain, Argentina, Germany. The most conventional prediction of the group: experienced European powers, the defending champion, one South American giant. The upset picks are where Grok hedged the most: South Africa or Canada, Morocco causing problems. Quote, a third-place team like Sweden or Paraguay pulling a surprise. That's vague compared to what Claude and ChatGPT gave us. Of the 4, Grok was the least decisive, which is interesting given that it runs on the same company's infrastructure that Musk says will be the most powerful AI on Earth. Make of that what you will. Okay, let's put it all together. Gemini says Brazil. ChatGPT says France. Claude says Spain. Grok says France. 4 AIs, 3 different champions. The only thing they all agreed on? Morocco. Every single AI, independently, with no knowledge of what the others said, flagged Morocco as a legitimate upset threat. A team that reached the semifinals in 2022 and hasn't been taken seriously enough since. If Morocco makes a deep run in these knockouts, remember, 4 different AI systems called it before it happened. The other consensus pick? Argentina goes deep. All 4 AIs have the defending champions in the semifinals or better. Messi's last World Cup isn't over yet. Here's what makes this more than just a fun experiment. By the time you watch this video, some of these predictions are already being tested. The round of 32 is underway. Teams are either delivering or collapsing. And on July 3rd, 2 days from now, I'm dropping a follow-up video. I'm going to score every single AI on how their predictions are tracking against real results. Who called it? Who got it completely wrong? And which AI is proving to be the most accurate predictor of World Cup outcomes so far? Is it the one that searched the web before answering? The one that picked the defending champion? The one that called a USA semifinal run? Subscribe so you don't miss the results. If you found this interesting, drop a comment below. Who do you think wins the 2026 World Cup? I want to see how your prediction stacks up against the AIs. And if you want to see every tool I used to make this video, the AI that wrote the script, the AI that generated my avatar, the AI that handled the SEO, grab the free PDF in the description. Links right there. I'm Jeremy. This is the AI Lab Report. I'll see you on July 3rd when we find out which AI actually knows soccer here in the United States, or as the rest of the world knows it, football.